Hi guys, we're at that time where we need to run the generator back up and stuff, but it keeps peeing down with the rain. So today I finally got my toolbox back. I had a toolbox for all my bouncy castle stuff, so we're going to look into sorting that out. Inside here, it's still not dry. Look on the roof here, I'll show you. Oh, sorry guys. It's still far from dry. I don't know what's going on here. It doesn't even look like it's starting to dry either, so yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Right, where can I put you? Where you can see, because oh god, I'm bashing you around here. Because wherever I put you for a minute, you can't see a thing. So let's try putting you next to me. Wow, that's not going to work either. And you're upside, you can go there, so where can I put you? Hold on guys, let me try and get you in a good spot here. That's better. Yeah, I had this for all of my bounce castle stuff. So now that I've got that covered, I can actually start putting my tools back away in here. So, whoa, don't follow me. First thing I'm going to put in here is like a guide for the jigsaw, I think it was. I have these actually that move on the outside. These are quite cool actually. Go from there. Diamond bits I want to say, for cutting into tiles. Spare jigsaw bits and other stuff. That literally just does that. It's pretty cool actually. And where's my other one too? I've got another one here somewhere that can go in a minute. My other one is here somewhere. Oh, it's here. This one here has got more drill bits and staples, which I need to get a new staple gun. I've got those and the nails. I need to get another nail gun, but I'm thinking maybe air this time. Less things to go wrong. So yeah, don't know why they're mixed up, because staples are that side and nails are this side, like so, and that just goes on the other side. Like that. Right, I have got other stuff to go in here. Like I've got like all this stuff, and then let's go this side, and then there. I won't put that in. I need to get a new one of these because it's broke. That can go in. Oh crap, my drill. Just go in there for a minute. My hammer can go in. Hammer. My glue. The glue can go in. I may stick that in the top actually. That's that stuff. This here is more staples. And I've got some more in the top there, so that can just stay there for spares for the minute. What else have I got here? Put that one in as well. I'll put that in the top of that one. This one here can go in the bottom, like this. Something like that. As long as it locks and works, I'll be happy with it. It's actually getting a bit nippy in here. I may have to turn the heating on. Don't want to. That needs to go inside because that is my bouncy castle cleaner. So that can go in on the shelf. Gloves, they can go in. I'll put them on the bottom actually. What else we got here? That can go in. Nothing up there. We'll put my spirit level in, but it won't fit. Ah, these can go in. Check that I've got a full kit of these. I like things that are in boxes. Love them. It just makes things a lot neater. A lot neater. So these could go in. Clamps. I don't know if you can see them. I'm missing one somewhere. This one here can go in as well. And then go in the bottom. Like that. It's good to have a toolbox back actually because it was doing my head in not having anything, so got a ton of stuff here that I need to sort through actually that could get chucked out. Yes, me? With stuff that needs to get chucked out? No, never. Oh, this up here, which you can't see for a minute, but I will show you. Sandpaper. That I should have put in the bottom actually. This one here is, this looks so wet and dry. It's not saying anywhere though, so it probably isn't. Might look skanky, but it's still good. Have I got it on here anymore? It's fine if that stuff can go in. That stuff can go in. This stuff looks like wet and dry though, so I can go in as well, I suppose. It can go in as well. So let me just chuck it on the top of that. And it's raining again. We've had a fair bit of wind today actually. A ton actually, to be honest. And the roof's still holding. Yes! Finally. Oh Jesus, it's getting freezing. I could turn the heating on actually, it will help dry the roof out a little quicker. If it will dry out. The other side's getting a bit ridiculous now though, so. These drill bits, what do I do about these drill bits? They should fit in. I'll show you what ones I'm on about. Remember the SDS ones? SDS? SSD? No, not SSD, that's a hard drive. SDS ones, I think they are. That can go in. That lot can stay there because I don't need that. Pencils and stuff can stay out. Got spare screws there. That can stay out. It's not a lot, but it puts a fair bit of it away. That's the main thing. So yeah, let me give you a little show around now. So I've moved my welder back out of the way, and it looks like we've got a ton more room in here for doing it. So let me spin you around. So I look like I got a ton more room in here now after pushing that back, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, what I needed that. So I'll try and go out and show you the roof. That is all fine still, but you probably can't hear, but it's raining. But yeah, look at the roof in here, look. This is the other side, as you can see. It's getting ridiculous. What we got up here? Nothing that can go in. Oh Jesus, it's gone real nippy outside. My hammer can go in. Set that side. Don't think I've got anything else over there that can go in. Actually, that sounded like hail. Let's have a quick gander. Nope, it's rain. It sounds like it's going to absolutely pee it down. I'll be right. Down here, what we got to chin down here, that's got my straps in. I need to get rid of this shelf, it's just pointless and in the way. Nothing in there. That's some Haley. No, just big raindrops. My water butt's overfilling, which is not helpful one bit. Spare stuff down there. Don't really know where I was sticking here, guys. I think that's going to be it for a minute. Lock it up. Oh, I've also got this little bit here that you can stick bits in, that's pretty cool. I did have it filled up once though. Wow, is that really all I've got to do? I thought I had more than that. Never mind. That can get hung up. Over here. Over yonder. I've got spare I've got spare discs and stuff here, as you can see, and these are for the die grinder. Remember, I bought 10 discs from my least favourite place, Nielsen, since the stuff so far has been a pile of garbage. How do I know? Because I've got two very expensive, well, one very, very expensive and one expensive equipment with them. Blower, £420. Not working properly, something missing by the looks of it. Generator, 4 kVA, £250. But struggles to power, well, my blower. It won't run my 1.1 kilowatt, 1.5 horsepower blower. When I rung up the my suppliers for the bounce castle stuff out, I spoke to the boss himself and he turned around and said a 4 kVA should run their 2 horsepower blower. PGO all sorts. Stop lying. Stop lying. But it's fine because he's been a dealer for 15 years. And he knows best. He used to own a bouncy castle company. I'm not saying don't shop with them, I'm just saying don't buy anything expensive from them. Because you'll be let down or won't get the right product. You're probably wondering why I didn't send it back, was because I needed it the next day. And as long as I kept flicking it on and off quickly to get the blower going, it would eventually run it. Shouldn't have to do that. It should be 4 kVA, not 2.8, which is what I believe is on there, which is a misprint apparently. I don't know. I either got to laugh about it or I got to get really annoyed and scream down the phone and all go up there and yeah, which is no point. Not worth fuel, to be honest. But I've also got a lot of water, as you can see, seeping in from that corner there, and I'm wondering if it's because of the leaves along there. So I will have to dig them out at some point. I might get my rake in there and try raking it out. It's probably the best bet to do. But for this roof drying, I don't know what's going on with it. It's far from drying, as you can see. That side I expect to get wet because I haven't redone that side yet, which is next on my list, but I need more nails. As you can see, I used the whole pack. Yeah, and I still have not gotten around to picking up all that on the floor because I'm Ryan and I'm lazy. Being serious, I'm pretty lazy. Let's take you off this tripod. That'll be it for that. Let's take you off this tripod, turn them off, and we'll quickly have a gander outside. Quickly anyway. Quickly, it's not raining. It is on and off. And as you can see, the roof is still spot on. I don't think I'm going to have enough there though to do the other side, so this looks... That's alright, it's all dry, cool. Sweet. So, yeah, that's going to be it guys, because you'll get them wet. Just another little short video again. I don't really know what else I've got going on in my life right now. So, tomorrow I'm going to buy another power unit for my computer because I've been looking up and it's not recommended to use the splitters for long-term use. So I'm going to buy an 850 watt power supply tomorrow, and that way hopefully then I can reroute all the... If you in a little bit more, so come on. I can reroute the cables so it's near, so it's not run down the front. Not like you see it, but I know. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I would say I hope you enjoyed, but you probably won't, and I can't blame you, but thanks for watching. I thought I had something else, but I don't. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.